Yesterday, I made over $500 online without spending any money on paid ads. I didn't boost any posts, and none of my accounts got banned in the process. And as a matter of fact, this method takes me less than 15 minutes a day, and it also works worldwide. And it's beginner friendly as well, as no prior experience is required, which means this method is a great starting point for anyone looking to make real money online, as you can get started immediately after watching this video. And the best part is this method can be scaled easily to $2,000 a day or more in a very short time. And I'll be showing you how to do everything in this video, literally taking you from start to the end of the process. So as you can see on your screen, here is one of the accounts I tested this strategy and it's proving to work very well. As you can see right here, this method literally gets your videos to get gradual and consistent views every single day. And as you can see, looking at this graph right here, this video is consistently getting views every single day. And also, if you take a look right here, most of the views is from YouTube search, which means I am ranking for this video. And also, I have several videos like this that are bringing in consistent views every single day. So the very first step is creating what I personally call money accounts. You want to basically create a separate account from your personal account for this endeavor. And in order to do this, you are going to need a proxy. And the reason you're going to be needing a proxy is because it's going to let you run multiple accounts undetected by social media platforms, and you can easily reach your target audience in any country of your choice. And for those who might be wondering where to find high quality proxies, I highly recommend Youproxy.io. So you want to click on the first link in the description, which is then going to bring you to the website. And as you can see right here, they have premium proxies at affordable price. You can basically find IPv4 proxy, IPv6, and also you can find ISP proxies as well. And finally, you can find mobile proxies on the platform as well. So you can literally go for any of the proxy options. And as you can see, there are several countries right here you can basically choose from, and you can get a proxy from that country. So we are going to be taking United States as an example. You get unlimited bandwidth for whatever rental period you choose. So I'm going to select one for the purpose of this video, and all you need to do here is to then click on buy proxy. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page and you can basically type in your purpose for this proxy. This is really up to you. And the next thing you want to then do is to then type in your email address right here. As you can see, there are various payment methods you can choose from right here. And finally, you want to then come over to where it says promo code, and here you want to then type in XB marketing. If you do that, you are going to get instant 15% off any proxy you purchase on Youproxy. So once you do that, you're going to find the proxy in your account like this. Okay, as you can see, I have several proxies as well that I currently use for my project. Okay, and also keep in mind you want to purchase a separate proxy for each of the accounts you'll be creating. Okay, and to create an account, you're going to need an anti-detect browser, and this is where you're going to be managing all your accounts. All right, and there are so many anti-detect browsers out there you can use. You can also use Octo browser as well. And if you take AdPower as an example, you can create free 5 profiles on AdPower for absolutely free. You can see here I have several accounts on this anti-detect browser. And also the next thing you want to then do is to import the proxy from Youproxy to the browser. And to do that, all you just need to do is to select the proxy right here, and you want to come over to the export section and you want to select any of these export formats, but the one I use is the second option. Once you select the second option, all you need to do is to click on download list. And once you do that, all you then need to do is to open the file, and then you want to then copy the proxy. So once you copy the proxy, all you then need to do is to create a new profile on AdPower, and you can give the profile a name. And the next thing you then want to do is to simply scroll down to where it says proxy type, and here you want to then select this custom option. So once you select this option, all you just need to do from here is to select HTTP, and here you then want to paste in your proxy in this box, and you want to click on check proxy. As you can see right here, just like that, our proxy has been verified to be working. And the final thing we then want to do is to click on OK. All you then need to do from here is to launch this profile by clicking on open. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And if you go over to youtube.com, it's going to bring us right here. So now that we have our profile set up, you have three options at this point. You can either create a new YouTube account or you can purchase a YouTube account from any reputable platform. And the third option, you can basically log in to an existing YouTube account you already have. So now you may ask, how do you monetize the money accounts you have on each of these browser profile? You have to keep in mind YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google, which means YouTube videos can potentially show up on Google when people are searching for keywords related to that video. And it's also worth mentioning, our aim is not to get subscribers or watch time. Rather, we will be exploring other avenues to earning money with YouTube from day one without having thousands of subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time. So the first option is affiliate marketing, which means you want to go over to affiliate networks such as digistore24.com, or you can go over to clickbank.com. These are some of the best affiliate networks out there where you can find various products from and start promoting them on YouTube and start earning money when people make a purchase. And the second option is CPA marketing. And with CPA marketing, you can either choose to promote a direct CPA offer or you can go for content locking, where people are incentivized to complete CPA offers in return to get access to a content. Okay. You can basically come over to ogads.com, cpagrip.com, or you can come over to adbluemedia.com. These are some of the best CPA networks out there where you can literally find CPA offers to promote. And so you know, you don't have to create the YouTube videos yourself. You can basically go over to ChatGPT to get ideas for your video. As you can see an example right here, give me 3 short viral video ideas and scripts for fitness. Since I'm using the fitness niche as an example, like I mentioned earlier, there are many affiliate products you can find on digistore24 or clickbank.com where you can then pick a fitness product and you can start promoting it right away. However, if you want to go for the CPA route, you can basically content log a high quality PLR ebook which you'll be giving away to people in return for them to complete CPA offers. So one of such platforms where you can find these high quality free PLR ebooks is freeplrdownloads.com. And these are ebooks you can give away to people for free without any copyright issues. And so you know, you don't have to show your face or use your voice in these videos. You can literally get ChatGPT to do almost all the work for you. It literally gave me ideas for videos, which I can literally simply go over to 11 Labs and I can use any of these voiceovers for the video. And also for footages, you can go over to pexels.com, and this is a platform where you can literally get free royalty footages you can use to make your videos. So once you have the videos created, that takes us to the final step where you then want to upload the videos to the YouTube channel you just created on AdsPower. Okay. So once you upload the video to your YouTube channel, you then want to make sure to include your affiliate link in the description. And I highly recommend to create a simple landing page, or you can use a URL shortener and you can add it in the description of the video. To stay consistent and upload at least 3 videos per YouTube channel, I can assure you that some of them would definitely go viral and you'll be making money in passive income months and years down the line from YouTube.